Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Sheiko Elementary School, home of the Sharks in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan. This is part of the West Bloomfield School District, and this is my fourth time now at the school. It's such an honor to be speaking not too far from where I live, but in my home state of Michigan, always having the opportunity to give back close to home. But we've focused on various themes over my last four times here, right? We've talked about bullying, we've talked about diversity, talked about leadership. Today we took it up another level and focused on positivity, right? Being our best self, but always having a positive attitude in every area of our lives, whether it's in the classroom, on recess, on the bus, at home, with our family, with our friends, in school and out of school. And we try to maintain that positivity with our teachers, with our coaches, our family, our friends, our brothers, our sisters, everyone in our lives. We're trying to always maintain this positivity, and not just when the sun is shining outside like it is today, right? That's easy to stay positive when things are going well in our lives and things are all sunshine and rainbows, but when they're not, it's kind of very easy to be negative, right? Or to feed off other people's negativity. But if we can sort of reverse that and turn some of that negativity into positivity, that's what truly matters. And that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly too. It says, "Keep your head up," and it's upside down on purpose, the words, because if you look down or feel down, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And if we can start to do that, we can actually start to make a difference in the lives around us too, right? Not just our own heart or brain, because it'll believe whatever you tell it. Once we start to make that a habit in our lives, it starts to spread out and ripple around us, where others are almost inspired by seeing us be positive too, right? It's almost contagious, like that work ethic and, just trying hard, doing our best. People, if we give our full effort, 100% effort, they're gonna wanna give that too, right? It just keeps growing and growing and growing. And to know that if we are staying positive, that other areas of our life will probably start to look better too. That's a huge thing to comprehend at a young age, right? If I'm thinking positive day in, day out, I'm probably gonna have more confidence, higher self-esteem, have better grades. If I fail one time, two times, three times, I'm not gonna quit or give up. I'm gonna keep going. And that was a big push, a big lesson and teaching point that I wanted to instill in everyone today, is that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, right? It's giving up, right? So many famous people have failed just to finally succeed. And what, doesn't really bring us totally down can make us stronger, right? That sometimes going through those difficult times can actually make us even better for it, right? That storms sometimes have to happen for the rainbows to appear. So if we take it from that perspective and that approach, we know that these limiting beliefs that we've had about ourselves, we can replace those with more positive ones. And that we also know that it comes down to our effort, that true excellence, it's not about being the best, right? Always be number one. It's just about doing your best, right? That as long as we are giving the effort, we're usually gonna get the outcome that we want, right? And so if we can just keep striving for that, that's really all that the teachers, in this building or any building really want from their students, is that they're just giving that effort, right? Day in, day out, and that they are trying their best. That there's certain areas of our life where we can always give a little bit more. And if we can understand that, as long as we don't stop and don't quit, that if it takes us 15 minutes to, understand that reading, but it takes someone else a minute, or it takes us, half an hour to understand that drill and gym class, but it takes the other student only 4 minutes, that's okay. That again, it's just more about us choosing to not give up, right? That's part of doing our best. Part of doing our best too is to know that we can do anything, but also how we encourage others, right? How we treat others around us, right? That is also part of doing our best, is trying to lift up others. On the morning announcements today, their mantra for the day was that we rise by lifting others, right? So if we do finish early or get something done before our peer, our classmate, then go and help that person, have them get up to your level, if not beyond, right? That's what true leaders do. That's what the Sheiko Shark leaders do. Finally, we also need to understand our value and our worth. That's also part of being our best self. It's not just being kind to our mind and to others, but it's also being kind to our heart and grasping the concept of this, that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right, etched on our palms. I traced one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but this M, I say, stands for miracle. upside down W for worthy. We have to believe that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, right, that we can go help others who maybe forgot that or haven't been told that or need a reminder, to be that light to their heart where they start to really believe this themselves. Because knowing our true value, knowing how important each of us are to this planet, to this world, to making a difference, to doing our absolute best, and that's all we need to do each and every day, that's what I tried to hammer home today. And I think a lot of the students got it. A lot of them that came up to me and said it touched their heart. So something did strike a heart chord, and that they were really feeling not only just emotional, but inspired and motivated to go out and go and lead that change and give that gift back to someone else by how they treat themselves and others. So thank you all for listening to a very positive message. Hope you did get a lot out of it, and we'll continue to keep being the best version of who you are each and every day. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year, and make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on this screen tablet wherever you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.